expand and simplify 8 minus 6, open brackets, 2x minus 1. This problem looks so simple, but I've seen a lot of students making a serious mistake. Here is the mistake that most of the students normally do. When they see a problem like 8 minus 6, open brackets, 2x minus 1. Some students, they'll simply say 8 minus 6, they'll get 2. And then they say times 2x minus 1. They ended up expanding brackets correctly though, and then they'll get 4x minus 2. I think you're one of those students. Please, please, please don't ever fall into this trap. This is wrong. Maybe you may wonder, why is it wrong? Isn't 8 minus 6 2? But why are you starting by subtracting instead of doing multiplication first? So if you do it in this way, you have violated the BIDMAS rule. So here we have 8, right? So we need to figure out what do we get if we say minus 6 times 2x minus 1. Remember the rule of multiplication, the distributive property that a term outside the brackets multiplies also all the terms inside the brackets. So in this case, by the end of the day, it will be 8 minus 6 times 2x, we'll get minus 12x, minus 6 times minus 1, we'll get plus 6. And then on the next step now, we've done with removing brackets. The next move, we now have to simplify. Remember, how do we simplify algebraic expressions? For us to simplify an algebraic expression, we need to collect like terms. We need to put the like terms next to each other and then we simplify them. So here we need to say 8 plus 6 minus 12x. So we simplify here and say 8 plus 6 will be 14 minus 12x. So this one will be our final solution. You cannot simplify this further because 14 and minus 12x are not like terms. So by the end of the day, this is our solution. Awesome. So don't ever fall into the trap of making a mistake. Hopefully you enjoy it.